To show the always on display when receiving a new notification on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap always on display. Next, tap when to show and then select for new notification. By choosing this option, now when you receive a new notification while the screen is off, your phone will show always on display where you can see the clock, the new notification and other information that you have set to be shown on your always on display. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.